¿Qué calle es esta? Mira a ver qué calle es, Johnny.
Ha sido de arriba, ha sido de arriba.
Madre mía.
Ha sido de arriba.
No, a la casa no nos vamos ahora.
Y nos vamos para abajo.
Ni para abajo, no se lo ha dicho, mira que lo ha dicho mi hija, dice, no te vayas para abajo que se cuenta la cascada.
Vaya meneo que me acabamos de recibir en la torre de aquí de Armilla. Se está resquebrajando, ¿eh?
A new series of earthquakes has struck Granada. The initial tremor shook the entire province again this Monday morning, reviving memories of the event from the morning of Saturday, August 15th. This was followed by strong aftershocks exceeding magnitude 4.0, once again instilling fear among the population. The tremors reopened cracks in many parts of Granada, caused landslides, and resulted in several injuries. According to preliminary estimates and provisional calculations by the National Geographic Institute, IGN, the first earthquake had a magnitude of 4.8, very similar to the August 15th event, with an epicenter in the town of Gójar, a shallow depth, and an intensity of 5 to 6. Striking around 10:35 a.m., the quake once again alarmed many Granada residents who were going about their daily activities or working.
La Virgen.
The National Geographic Institute, IGN, reported that the earthquake was felt with intensity, 4 to 5 in the southern part of Granada City and its metropolitan area, affecting towns such as Armilla, Churiana de la Vega, Las Gabias, Alhendín, and Otura, among others. As a shallow earthquake, it was felt across the entire province, from the Costa Tropical to the Alpujarra, including the Montes Orientales and northern regions. Beyond Granada, the quake was also reported in locations across Jaén, the coast of Almería, and Córdoba. Outside Andalusia, tremors were felt as far away as Ciudad Real, Albacete, Murcia, and even Madrid. Following the strong earthquake, which lasted approximately 10 seconds, a series of aftershocks occurred, all of which were felt by residents. At 10:53 a.m., a significant aftershock took place, though it was not as powerful as the initial quake. Its epicenter was in the town of Churiana de la Vega, registering a magnitude of 4 at a shallow depth of 0 kilometers. At 11:34 a.m., another strong aftershock was felt in Granada. This quake was centered in Alhendín, with a magnitude of 4.2 and a depth of 5 kilometers. An hour later, at 12:39 p.m., another magnitude 4 aftershock shook the same town as well as the southern part of the city and the metropolitan area. This time, it occurred at a shallow depth. The Andalusian regional government has activated the Seismic Risk Emergency Plan for Granada, currently at operational level 1, following last Friday's magnitude 5 earthquake, which was centered in the town of Alhendín. SANS indicated that the advisory committee for the Seismic Risk Emergency Plan would meet shortly. In response to the recent earthquakes, the Granada City Council has decided, as a precautionary measure, to temporarily close all municipal buildings and facilities open to the public. Emergency and social services will remain fully operational, as will municipal centers and facilities providing essential direct services to the community. The Alhambra was among the sites evacuated as a precaution on Tuesday.
viejo, ¿ves?